Ho! So I learned last night, my bad, hello, good morning, how is everybody? Yeah, learned last night not to put your head in the sleeping bag and close it off. Because even though like it doesn't zip together on the hood part, because it's a mummy sleeping bag, even though it doesn't like zip closed, there's no airflow. You can't breathe through a sleeping bag. Whew, I woke up and I had the worst headache I think I've ever had. It's just now like really going away. Like I've done eating grits, chicken broth and grits. I watched this other guy. His name's Mav, and he made Southern style shrimp and grits. Yeah, Southern style shrimp and grits with sausage. And he's from Minnesota, but he was following a recipe and he put chicken broth in the grits instead of water. I've been doing my southern whatever, southern soul food cooking, whatever. So wrong. So wrong. Now, I got a carton of chicken broth, and I will be using it for my grits every time. I don't know what it was. It just added a little zing, But that was so good. But anyways, yeah. Good morning. Don't cover your head up in a sleeping bag, because you'll get carbon monoxide poisoning. Probably, most likely. I think that's what my headache was from, is like not having air. Like my neck kind of hurts. You know, sleeping in a ball trying to stay warm. It got down to 28 degrees last night in Florida. What the? Don't understand that. Debating on today taking these legs off this bed and just using my cooler as a that worked. Hey! Be using my cooler as a platform instead of having those legs on it. But if I ever move my cooler, then I won't have my bed. I would have to buy more wood if I throw those away, which I could hold on to them and just screw them back in, but then that's going to take up room. So I may just, but my bed would lay a lot flatter if I did that. So that's why I was debating on doing it. Oh, but yeah, 28 degrees, man. And I'm not on the beach side, so I'm not near the water. Being near the water would probably be a lot colder. Yeah, I finally stayed at this Walmart I wanted to stay at. But on that far side over there, they got no parking signs. But I'm guessing that's because they have all their soil and plants and wood chips and all that stuff parked outside. So they probably got like big trucks delivering and stuff like that, and they don't want anybody being in the way. But on this side, there's a bus stop, which closes at like 10, I think, because I didn't hear no buses last night. And that's good. I slept good though, other than being cold and not really cold, but chilly. I don't like using my propane heater, Mr. Buddy. They need to come up with a 100 watt heater for van life, SUV life, Tahoe life, you know, etc. That way you don't have to worry about that. Can we come up with that? Can we do that? Can we get a 100 watt or even like a 50 watt or 150 watt? My generator's 330 watts and I don't want to kill it. So having like a, you know, 150 watt pulsating generator that I could plug up to it, 12 volt possibly, that would be nice. And to the DC plug, that would be amazing. I'm not too picky. Yeah, just gonna throw some pants on, probably go stroll around this Walmart, just walk around, look around, window shop, you know me. I'm getting more comfortable recording and stuff though, so I might put my cell phone camera in front of people out there, you know. I think I made one guy mad last night. He like pulls through. I don't have anything to, but like, I'm parked right here, and I see him, he's pulling through, he's turning, he like stops right in front of my truck, and he's just like, I'm like, bro, park beside me, be my friend, let's chat. But then he's like, pulls away, he pulls over here, he's still over there. So I'm kind of glad he did, because he's got a big gas generator, so that would have been loud and probably annoying all night, which I don't hear it right now though. Didn't get their name, but there was a couple, an older couple back to the side behind me, whichever way you want to look at it. They had a pull behind camper. So that was pretty cool. They were all waving and everything this morning. That was really cool. I like that. I enjoy the positivity in the mornings like that a whole bunch. They were all smiling. Bye. I should have got their names. I was trying to show him my setup, but he was like, "Nah, I believe you." I was like, "No, dude, I'm really proud of it. Like, you can look, please, look, show me." Oh, but anyways. Yeah. Oh, fire department's here. I think they're just going to shop though. They're not running or anything. They're parked, lights off. Man, this side of the beach, or this side of the bridge, is like a lot more active than the other side though. I heard cops and everything last night just back and forth in this road. Man, that was wild. I did enjoy my stay though. It was very nice. Yeah, I work in the morning, so I'll go back over on the beach side today at some point. Oh, got my new shoes. You like them? You like them? I like them. I like them. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Hey, grip. Look at that grip, boy. Yeah. My big brother D got me those. I'll pay him back soon as I start getting paid and whatnot. But, good morning, goodwill, and God bless. It's going to be a great day. I want a donut, so I am going to get a donut or a fritter, whichever one they have. Got me some more bacterial wipes, antibacterial wipes, disinfectant wipes, whatever you want to call them. Walked around Walmart a little bit. I've got to do something with that. That's making me mad. It's a very cold morning this morning. Oh, we got a new Whataburger coming to Callaway. Over there, yes sir. But want to get a donut. 12 o'clock, needs to hurry up because I'm going to go by the card shop and see if I can sell some Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Closest one is in this area, like 5.5 miles away, I believe. So for now, I'm just gonna slide over to Dunkin' Donuts and have a donut. So I've been craving like an apple donut for probably about a day and a half, 2 days now. And I've been fighting the urge. Just fighting it. Just, But it's just coming time. It's donut time. Had coffee earlier. Probably made me some more coffee. Definitely debating on more coffee. Seems like I'm gonna have to figure out a different way to store some stuff. But my stove seems pretty stationary. That makes me happy. I've had trouble out of it. So, kid's staring at me. I'll ask him if he wants to go have a donut with me. I think he's driving his dad's car, truck, whatever. Probably waiting on his mom to come out or something. Slide these down here for now. And again, if anybody knows how to like do the storefront for ordering and stuff like that, the more I think about it, the more I want to do shirts. Even if I'm the only one that gets one, like I just want a shirt. I've got a printing company already. They're different all around. I may see if there's one local though, possibly, I don't know. But yeah, I need to get on that storefront to get some stickers and shirts and stuff like that made for anybody that's interested. So far, most of my videos have had like just a couple of views. Like I had that one that had like 100 and something views. So hopefully they'll get better though. I got a job now. I'm working, so I get some money and go do some stuff. I wanna go do some stuff in Panama City Beach for sure. Like that Ripley's Believe It or Not. They probably won't let me record a whole lot in there. But like museums and thrift stores and they got like a giant swing or like a catapult thing. I want to do that. Probably gonna go to the beach today. It's warming up a little bit. It's windy though. That wind is so cold. But yeah, for now, Dunkin' Donut. Dunkin' Donut. I'm gonna go chill inside too. So, peace. So I thought I like almost got like carbon monoxide poisoning earlier whenever I woke up, because when I woke up my head and stuff was covered up and I can't breathe in and out of the sleeping bag. But I'm starting to think my neck's messed up. So I think I'm fixing to go to Planet Fitness and lay on the hydromassage. So my neck is killing me. My head's killing me. I took 2 Advil earlier and it went away, but now it's coming back. Like, I don't understand. I just want this headache to go away. I just ate some food. Freak. I don't know. Just to find something to do so I can record some stuff. So I just been riding or sitting really. Stopped and ate. Went by Ross, Five Below, Burlington Coat Factory. Just window shopping. I think I'm just gonna take 2 more Advil. I don't get headaches very often, but when I do, they're terrible. I'll probably be dealing with this all day and night. Just can go to Planet Fitness and hit that hydromassage and probably the massage chair for sure. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Planet Fitness, open this massage chair, massage bed, hydro massage, whatever you call it. Get rid of my headache. I'm hoping and praying that it will get rid of this headache, because I'm hurting so bad, so freaking bad. Possibly can to get this to fix. It's loosening up though. I did 2 rounds of the hydro massage. Now I'm on my massage chair. I think not wrestling is taking a toll on my body. I'm gonna go see a massage therapist or a chiropractor. That and just need to relax and loosen up. Well, I was going to a comic book store to try to sell some Yu-Gi-Oh cards, but apparently the liquor store here has done bought them out. And the location on Google is wrong. So, listen to take my butt back across the bridge to the Panama City beach side. And I might call them tomorrow and see where they're at. I don't think they buy Yu-Gi-Oh cards, but oh, you know, I like to go look at comic books and stuff, so. Or if you didn't know, now you know, brothers and sisters. Because if you don't know, now you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna go do that. I think I'm just gonna go sit by the beach for a little bit. It's 4 o'clock. Take me a little bit to get over there, but not too long. Got a prick going right up beside us. Well, if he'd hit that pole, he'd have regretted it. We're in a parking lot, dude. Like, I'm already doing 15 miles an hour. What's this do? I'm sorry. I'm going right. Well, we are on the road. Somehow I still ended out on the road before him. I don't understand that. My bad. I guess maybe I'm the prick in that situation. My bad. It just that really irritated me. Like, why do 30 miles per hour to go around me in a parking lot? I mean, are you in a hurry? Is it an emergency? Or you gotta show out. You gotta show off. Woo! Oh well. I had my prick moments. I guess that was my prick moment for the day. But he was a prick first, so. Do unto others as you wish to be done unto you. Remember that. I live by that one. That's why I try to be as good as possible. Always. So. Oh, they got scented tattoos at Gulf Coast Professional Tattoos. So if you want a scented tattoo, go to Gulf Coast Professional Tattoos. Just kidding. Their sign though, it says new scented tattoos. Ha! Just kidding, made you look. It's a good market method. Cause this show made me look. I was like, oh crap, they got scented tattoos. Cause you know in Japan they got the like the scented TVs or whatever they're trying to create or something like that. If it's even a real thing, it may just be a meme on TV about Japanese people creating everything. But how freaking cool would that be? But anyways, I'm gonna head across this bridge here in just a minute and go sit by the beach. And then cook me some food and go to bed because I got work in the morning. Working at AM. Working at AM. I hope everybody's having a good day for real. Those waves have not been that big the entire time I've been here. That is crazy. Like, so crazy. Is there any dudes don't walk down there? I always forget my selfie stick every time. I'm slipping hard. These waves are crazy. They have not been this high since I've been here. Oh, I love it. Like they are rolling. Man, see, I need a surfboard. I need a surfboard. This is insane. Like the water is literally hitting me in the face right now. That is wild. Look at this. What? Well. Look at the waves we had there. But man, that was wild. I ain't seen waves like that ever in my entire life. Those are beautiful. Somebody was out there on a surfboard, but I don't know where they went. I hope they didn't go under. I swear I don't see him now. Huh. I ain't crazy enough to go out there, to be honest. Yeah. I'm gonna let them do them. Surf. I can't swim good enough to go out there on a surfboard. I see somebody else on a surfboard, maybe the same person. Man, that's crazy. Absolutely wild. I'm finna eat some milk and cookies, and then just sit here until about 8, maybe 9, 10 o'clock, and then go park and get ready for my night today. I need to fix something for supper. Probably be noodles, possibly, yeah, more than likely. But for now, I'm out. Them apple zingers, bro. These waves are still rolling in. Like, I debated on going down there and trying to get some kind of video of it, but my phone's just not that good at doing nighttime videoing. So, I don't know. I might slide down there real quick. I've got a light in the back that's pretty bright, so might try it. I really don't want to get in the sand again, though, especially not it being nighttime. But yeah, I'm not too hungry, so I may not cook nothing. Whew. Ah. Anyways, I can see a ship out there, though. See the lights on the boat. There's people with spotlights on the pier. But I'm pretty sure I'm fixing to go to either Lowe's or Walmart or somewhere and park for the night. It's going on like 8 o'clock, I think. Like 7:45. But I'm sleepy. I'm a little sleepy, a little tired. Oh, I finally got rid of that headache. I did that at Planet Fitness, so I did 2 rounds of hydromassage, the hydro chair, and I jumped off on the foam roller. Popped my back, my neck, walked on the treadmill for 10 minutes to try to loosen it up, get it out, that way it'd stay away, instead of just going back and sitting in the truck or laying down. So I got rid of the headache. My neck's getting a little tight on the left side, but that's normal. I need to go to a chiropractor and a masseuse and get fixed. Trying to avoid surgeries, but wrestling takes a toll on the body. But yeah, it's been a great day, other than that headache. So, for now, this is just Joshin, and I'm out. If you don't mind, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Give me some hints, tips, and tricks, and tell me what you want to see.